The major mechanical change from the last-gen ttrs is a reworked engine, with an aluminum block, a lighter crankshaft, an aluminum oil pump, a magnesium upper sump, and a number of other measures that slice some 57 pounds from the engine's weight. That's particularly significant because the engine is entirely forward of the front wheel centerline. The RS uses the strut front and multi-link rear suspension geometry of the standard TT, but with firmer shocks and springs and a 0.4-inch lower ride height. Magnetorological shocks likely will be standard on US cars, but a dynamic plus suspension with even stiffer springs and tighter, non-adjustable shocks will be offered as an option for the hardcore